Hello everybody, and welcome back to FortuneCookie14 Play Megaman Battle Number 3. Last time we were the N1 Grand Prix Grand Prix what's that? I sound better? Thank you, I do sound better. Turns out, a friend of mine and I were playing a video game on this, and he was like, hey, let's guys. He said, while we were communicating on Skype, that you sound really far away. You should really buy a microphone. I was like, I'm not going to buy a microphone. And it turns out, because we play this game on a PC, and I decided, you know what? I'm not going to play with a mouse and trackpad. I'm going to play with a 360 controller. So I plugged in my 360 controller, and we're playing that. But then I thought, what if I plug in a headset with an Xbox 360 controller? Ah, see, I'm talking to you, and I messed up, and so I'm plugging a headset, and all of a sudden, device driver downloading for the headset. Oh, bitch. And so now, I'm playing with a headset, and you're listening to me up close person. So, just thank him for that. Yeah, you Twitter. Hello. The legendary Virus King. Virus King, land, be careful. This may be the shortest ever made. No, Megaman. Just an actor from the TV show. Huh? Oh, I get it. So he isn't really strong? Come on, guys. All my TV here. Make me look bad. I won't get it. I'm gonna dodge the screen if you don't want me to look good. You're just getting forward. Can't use this because it's with another camera. Alright, let's try everything, okay? Start with researching the areas. Please try to get a little smart, okay? Ah, we blew that one, huh? Don't worry about it. Let's go find it again. Area 2. Oh, we gotta go follow the other. Oh, it's just in area 2. Hey, same people that I just faced. I should feel so. Really don't need the plus 30, so cover 30, but I don't care. Oh, that wasn't enough to kill it. That wasn't enough to kill it. Oh, damn it. And 69. Second work. Yes! Oh, damn it. I'm so slow. Ha! Oh, I took away the 69. Why must you be supportive of your friend? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a good thing, but it's kind of annoying too. Like, I'm trying to kill you, but your friend is trying to shoot me in the back. So, it's kind of hard to kill you. And it's tried to kill me first. So, I'm just trying to defend myself. You guys are all ganging up on me because you can't hit. What's the truth? That you suck. Can't win. Okay, let's tell that version. Oh, wait, I already talked about that. Don't be over again. Oh. Oh, ratty fish. Let's get one of the ratties. Oh, what? Ah, oh crap. I realized that a friend of mine had told me that I may or may not have forgotten to put the E2 chip that I got Man Alpha into my chip folder. I might do that after this. You'll get to see that happen. hey, look at that. Judgment V2, first ship. Oh, I may have missed. I screwed up, didn't I? Yes. Oh, that... Did talking to the guy give me full health? Oh, messed up. I screwed up. Oh, I screwed up again. Done. Ah! Stupid dodge attack because... Of course. I would say I'm bad with mini bombs and it would be mini bombs! Come at me! Come at me! What you with? Hit me! Yeah! Don't treat me! The power of target! Why does everybody do that when I hit them? Yeah, but I'm bad, huh? Head acting up again. Cat A. It'll be cat A. Cat. I wish we could get Dad to fix it. Well, you know he's busy. Hey, it's working again. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, let's head back to the next mission. Meet up with a friend, but I get tired. Wow, what's over there? Something interesting there? Oh, no. Sorry to the cannon now. Told you I'd need it. Crappa. Oh, why can't I have this C? I want to cannon C. Oh! I completely forgot you were trying to attack me. That's lovely. Yes. Hello, how can I help you? Would you like some movie? Oh no, this is my last case. I'm sorry, I have my last case. I can't sell it to you. Because I might need to sell it to someone else later. What if you don't sell it to me? Then, why wouldn't you sell it to me? Because I need to keep it till the end of the day in case someone tries to buy it. That's me. I'm the one trying to buy it. Prevent from telling someone else, no, you can't buy this because I'm all out of it. You're preventing me by saying, no, you can't buy this. I don't want to run out of it. You good, sir, are not making any sense at all. Well, I'm going to leave now. Thanks for coming again. I really don't like the fact that this one's looking at me all weird now. Redder. Oh. Yeah. You know what would have been awesome if I would have used that when they were back in the area section in front of the kingdom. Yeah, you got no idea what I'm talking about. It's even impossible to use my bomb now because the freaking guy took half of my third of my math land. Okay, I'm gonna stop this now. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Pieces. Bye.